Creators, solopreneurs, hope all is well. My name is Ibrahim. And so we want to just take this time to make a video to show you how to use Taja to the fullest in order to maximize your workflow and save you time. So as you can see here, we're in the dashboard. This is what it looks like. When you're in the dashboard, there's an immediate call to action to place a link. So you can place in a YouTube link here. Just be sure that the YouTube link is either unlisted or public, or you're able to browse or import from your computer one of these files. One thing to note is that in order to use Taja to your fullest, we recommend a YouTube link over importing a file directly from your laptop or desktop. This is just because by putting in the link, you're able to fully maximize the tool, such as the ability to create thumbnails from your video and the ability to publish it directly to YouTube. If you import it from your laptop directly, we don't have a way to decipher which channel the video belongs to. So some of the features you're going to be able to have access to will be revoked, but you will get full access if you link in the YouTube video. So let's say in this case, I just uploaded a YouTube video and I have to figure out my title, description, tags, thumbnails, shorts, all those different aspects. All you do here is you make the video either unlisted or public. One thing to note is that if it's a new video, you want to make it unlisted, bring it into Taja, optimize it, repurpose it, and then make it public. If it's an older video, you are able to just make it public or unlisted, bring it into Taja, and then update it with the new output. So in this case, all you do is you copy the link, you head over to Taja, and you paste that link, and you click Start. Now what's going on in the background is Taja is transcribing this video, understanding what it's about. It's also doing a deep dive into your channel audience, understanding historically what does your audience engage with. And then in a few moments here, it'll generate for us output that we can review, such as our titles, description, chapters, hashtags, and thumbnails. So we'll see what Taja generates for us here shortly. All right, so Taja is done. It takes about 3 minutes for the output to come in, 3 minutes or less. And so as you see here, this is the overview of the top title along with the description, the chapters, the tags for the video. And so what you're able to do is you're able to also scroll down and see all these other titles as well, and you can pick which one you want. If you don't like any, you can just click this button to regenerate another set of 5. Here's your description along with the chapters down here, all written out for you. Here's your tags as well. And then here's a transcription of the video. So in this case, let's say, I want to customize this more. So what you're able to do is in the overview section, click on customize, go to the add context section, add a sentence or two about what the video is about. If you want to steer the output in a certain way, you can do that here. You can also click language. So say you want your output not in English, but in a different language, you can just click one of these, one of the languages that you like. We service over 54. And then once you're done with everything with the output, with prompting it here, you just click the reoptimize button and another set will generate based on the feedback that you prompted the tool. Let's say, you have your own title and you want the description, the tags to sync in accordance with that title. You can just come here and edit however you want, place in whatever title you want, and then you can click continue, and the description and the chapters and the tags will all sync in accordance. Now, let's say you're good with all this output. You can click publish now, and this will lead you to link your channel to YouTube and then be able to sync everything to your YouTube channel. But let's say you are good with the SEO. Now you want to create your thumbnail. All you do is you go below the description aspect, and here is where you can create your thumbnail. So here is a few prompting settings. The one is a fully AI generated thumbnail, or a thumbnail with faces from the video. Now, if you want a thumbnail with extracted with faces from the video, what you'll want to do is click on that, Please note that this will work if the video is a full talking head video, meaning it's a full screen talking head video. What we'll be able to do is extract emotional stills from the video. Now, if there is talking head elements in it, but it's not that strong, our model will revert to a fully AI generated image. And so if you're looking for a fully AI generated image, you can just click on it. And then here is where you can toggle on captions or off, meaning we'll include captions within the image itself. Sometimes, just to note, the captions get misspelled. And so a lot of times customers will want to toggle them off and then go in and edit the thumbnail how they would like. So in this case, I'm just going to do extract it from the face, just so you can see what that would look like, as this is a full talking head video. So let's give it a few minutes here, and then we'll see what Taja spits out for us as possible thumbnails. So Taja's done. Again, it takes about 3 minutes to generate thumbnails. And so as you see here, it generated 3 different thumbnails for us with the caption over top. Now, if you don't like any, you're able to just click on the regenerate button to regenerate more thumbnails. But if you like them, what you can do is click on one of them. So in this case, I'm going to click on one. It'll load in the thumbnail for us. And then I can do some editing. So some editing includes being able to change the background color to what you like. If you have a certain template or anything like that, you're able to do so here. And then what you can do as well is change the text. So I can click on the text, edit however I'd like. Here, I'm able to also change the background color of the text. Just a lot of different editing functions that you're able to do. You know, even if you don't like this still, you're able to just delete it and then be able to upload your own image here. You can add your own text as well. So another text box, you can add that here. You can drag the text box. You can move the people around however you'd like. So different customizations here that allow you to get the perfect thumbnail that you're looking for. Once you're good with everything, you click the save button and it'll automatically save all your changes. If you made an edit that you don't like, you can just click on the undo button and it'll go back to how it previously was. And then the last option is you can download the thumbnail if you like it. So in this case, I'm just going to click go back. And here's the thumbnail that it gave me. So when you go back on one thumbnail, it'll pick that as the default thumbnail and then ask you if you want to sync it to YouTube. So in this case, I'm just going to toggle this off. But all my output for this long form video is done. Now what I can do is just click the publish now button and then pick the status unlisted. And then it'll take me through the process of linking my channel, which let me see which email this is linked to. Okay. It's linked to this one. So I'll go through, make sure it'll give you options. You want to pick the one that has the one that says, if it gives you the options of the ones with YouTube, you want to click on that. So in this case, it's this channel. You want to give us permission, continue, and then the channel's linked. I just click on the sync to YouTube. And then now it's when it's linked, you just go to your YouTube studio. You'll find everything there. And then if you want your thumbnails in, you can add those in. So that's that part done. Now the second part is the shorts and clips. So once you're done with the long form, you can just click here and it'll take you to shorts and clips. So in this case, we found 6 shorts, 0 clips. Please note that in order to generate clips and shorts, your video has to be 5 minutes or longer. If it falls short, you will not have the option to generate any shorts or clips. So in this case, it shows me my shorts that I found up top here. I'm able to go down here to view each short. It also gives me the timestamp of where it found it within the video. So in this case, it found it at 0 seconds to 21 seconds, and it gives me my title, description, um, tags, all those different elements. And so in this case, let's say I want to edit one of my shorts. So I'll pick this one. You're able to do different things, such as being able to edit the captions here, add whatever text you would like. You can change the title up here. So each short comes with a title. You can toggle that on or off. And then one thing to note is that you are able to move the positioning of the captions once you have them how you like them by title here. And then once it appears, and that animation of it going, the subtitles going up appears, you drag this up or down to however you'd like. Once you're good with the title and captions, you're able to go to design. Here, you're able to test out different fonts that you want. You can pick the color that you want them, the size. You can trim the video. And the last part is you can add B-roll. So you can add auto B-roll by just clicking this button, and then we'll add our own auto B-roll from the video, um, which will take a few seconds to generate. And then once it's done, all your B-roll will show up here. And you can, do different things, such as delete it, be able to upload a different image and find your own from our library. Um, you can delete it if you don't like it, etc. And so once you're done with it, the way to save all your edits is to just click back on this title, and here is where you can actually set the template for this channel. So when you click back, you'll be asked, do you want this type of design to apply for all your shorts on this channel? That means like for all of the shorts that generate for this video and all future videos associated with this channel. So you can just say cancel, and it'll take you with all the edits done. And so let's say here I'm done with this short. I want to publish it. You can just click on this publish button, and now it'll pull up all your social accounts. So it'll pull up your YouTube, your Instagram, your Facebook, your TikTok, your X, and your LinkedIn, and you'll be able to directly upload to each platform once you connect that account to our platform. You'll be able to upload each short directly to each account. So we'll give it a minute here just to optimize everything for us and get it ready. So then we can look at the page where we'll connect everything. Okay, so as you see here, it's done rendering. So all these different options come up for me to be able to decipher which platform I want to upload to. If you've already connected your channel, it'll say the name under here. You just click the upload button. If you need to connect, you can just click here, and you'll go through the process of connecting your channel, and then being able to upload it directly to that platform. So that's how you do the shorts aspect. Other features that you can maximize within Taja are going to be down here. So just going one by one through these is the first is to invite your customers. So our referral program, we have a referral program that if you like the product, you're able to share it with your colleagues and network and earn 50% monthly commission on any person that you refer. So it's a great program that allows you to earn good passive income for sharing Taja with your network. The other feature we have is something called Backlog Boost. Backlog Boost is a way for us to analyze your channel once you've added it, and decipher which videos in your catalog have a low SEO score that you should consider re-optimizing. And so in this case, I could just go here, click on it, and then what I'll do is I'll select my channel. Once you select your channel, in this case, there's no videos to revive, but let's say I select the channel that does have videos to revive. So let's select this one. All my videos will appear here, and each one has an SEO score. These are all ones, meaning that these are all low SEO scores I should consider reviving. So let's say from these videos you don't like any, you can just click on this suggest new video and it'll find a new video in your catalog. But if you like one of them, you're able to just click on this revive video button, and what we'll do is we'll automatically have the link in the video, and then we'll just, with that button, we'll optimize the video for you. In this case, the video is unavailable, but if the video was public and all ready to go, you just click this button, and then we'll do everything in the background for you, revive it all for you, and be able to generate the SEO and also repurpose it into clips and shorts. So it'll take a few seconds here, but let's see what it generates out for us. So as you see here, this video is done. It's done all the elements for us, same design and flow as if you were to optimize the video as I showed you earlier. And so that's the backlog boost feature. One thing you also receive is that you will get an email every week showing you which 5 videos in your catalog you should consider reviving. The emails will be predicated on the latest channel that you added. So if you optimize a video from a different channel, the email will include the videos from the channel that you last optimized a video from. The next feature that we have is called Next Video Generator. This is a way for you to generate keywords based on your channel that have high search volume, low competition. And so what you want to do is just find your channel. So in this case, I'll drop down and I'll find Taja. And you click search on your channel. And now it's going to find me different keywords for this channel that have high search volume, low competition. And so let's say I like the YouTube automation with AI. The keyword here will show me, all right, here's my score out of 100. It'll have the search volume. It'll have the competition. So search volume means that there's a lot of people searching for this in your content niche. And then competition means how many people have created a piece of content in this space. So let's say I like this. You could just click on it. And then it'll go further into creating keywords deeper into that fold. And you can continue to just click on different keywords until you find the one that you like. Here are going to be the outlier videos. So outlier videos are videos in your niche that other creators have made that may have a low subscriber count for their channel, but these videos have had an uptick in views in comparison to the subscribers they have. So we'll pull this automatically for you. And then what you can do is just hover over, and every one of these has a remix for your channel. And so what this will do is generate a thumbnail that is in alignment for your channel, just a thumbnail visual that you can look for to see if it makes sense for your video, to just kind of gain inspiration and be able to generate content that's in line so that you know what you want to create before you go ahead and create it. So in this case, it did create this thumbnail for us. And so you're able to just continue to play with this to remix with your channel, etc. Now, we will also, newest thing we just did is we just released a feature that will send you weekly emails when you want to, weekly emails of these high search volume, low competition keywords, so that then you can figure out what video you want to create next. The other features that we have are called automations. And so automations, there's something here called auto kickoff, which I'll show you here shortly, and then also the next video. So these are just ways for you to automate your workflow without having to come into Taja as often and just speed up the time. So I'll go ahead and show you what how to automate the keywords aspect to be able to get emails weekly, and also the auto kickoff. So for keywords and auto kickoff, when you go to channels and then you select your channel, there will be an option to toggle on auto kickoff and weekly video ideas in your inbox. So auto kickoff is basically a feature that creates a private playlist within your YouTube studio. And so what it does is it automatically, whenever you upload a video and set it to that playlist, we're able to know that you've done so. And so what we'll do is optimize and repurpose the video for you, all without having you not have to lift a finger. So you don't have to come back to Taja to do any of this. We just handle it all for you instantly, and then all the output will appear in your dashboard in the recent video section. So I'm just going to show you how this works. But let's say for auto kickoff, it's enabled. You'll just go here, and it'll be right here. So this is the playlist that we create for you. All you do is you just click here, make sure that the video is unlisted, click done, save, and then in 30 minutes or less, the output will appear down here for you in your recent video section. You just click through, review it. If you like it, you just publish it directly. So that's on the auto kickoff side. And then let's say on the weekly email side, for your next video idea, you can just toggle this on. And then what you'll do is you'll be able to set the day and time that works best for you, that you prefer to receive these weekly emails. And so you want to typically set this for a time where you're thinking about what your next video should be. So in this case, you're able to have autonomy to be able to set it to the day and time that you want, and then be able to receive those weekly emails. So in a gist, that is some of the functions of Taja. Some more functions that you can take advantage of is our Teams function, which allows you to add up to 5 members to your team if you're the channel owner. And so if you're the channel owner, what you'll do is just create your team name here, create team, and then it'll give you an option of a link that you copy and paste to your other team members to be able to have access to Taja. Other team members will be sharing your account. So if you have the unlimited plan, they'll also all be on unlimited. But if you have the 6 credits per month type of plan, you'll all be sharing those 6 credits. And then the final element that I wanted to show you is link channels. So here is where you can link and unlink your channels. If for any reason you don't want a channel or anything like that nature, you want to add a channel, you can just click on link channels and then be able to remove a channel or add a channel that you'd like. And from the last point that I wanted to make is, if you love the product, please leave us a review, and we'll be able to give you a discount for leaving us a review of how you engage with the product. Taja is very new still, so there's a lot of things in our roadmap that we want to build out. So as you continue to use the platform, if you have any questions or feedback, please don't hesitate to reach out to us with any feature requests or questions on how to use the platform. The final thing that I wanted to show you is something called Growth Stats, which is a analytics report 72 hours after you've optimized your video, just to be able to show you, how your video is performing relative to your channel. So in order to receive growth stats, you have to link your channel. But say in this case, I want to see my growth stats. All you do is you click on it within the dashboard, and it'll take you here. So here will show me how my video is doing. It'll pull for me the ranks of the video. It'll give me even tips. So these are what YouTube considers best practices and analytics to pay attention to. And it'll give you, relative to what YouTube considers best practice, how you're doing. So this is neutral. This is not so good. This is good. And then you'll get tips of what to do. So that in a gist is Taja.